I have eyebrows that are a little bit lighter. They are completely uneven, and one goes up higher, one goes down lower, and they both start in different places. So I am always looking for something to kind of help me even out my eyebrows and do the least amount of maintenance on them. So the brand did gift me these in exchange for my honest review. I'm going to show you how to use these and how it looks before and after I do these on my eyebrows. And showing you what it looks like. So I have two colors. This is a light brown. This is the color right here in that circle. And then this is a dark brown. So I'm going to start off with the light brown first to test it out. And then if I want to go darker, I will do the dark brown. So let me show you. What I really love about this is that it is cruelty-free and it is vegan. So those are always things that I look for when I am looking for products that I'm going to be putting on my face. Now, when you open the package, it does come with handy instructions. It comes with 2 packs of powder, so you can get quite a few eyebrow touch-ups with this, which is amazing. It comes with a little mixing cup, and you are going to use, this is like a little stopper. So you're gonna use this for water. You're gonna put some water in here, and then you're gonna put the powder, and this is the brush to apply it on your eyebrows. And you're just gonna mix it in here and then apply it to your eyebrows. It does come with gloves as well. And then it does have oil, which I think is really nice. So this just helps kind of lock in some moisture on your eyebrows and the color that you have just put on your eyebrows. So I'm super excited about that. It's eyebrow nourishing oil, and it's 10 ml. Okay, so I'm going to combine a scoop of this with some water and make a paste for my eyebrows. So just gonna open this up, and the powder is inside a bag when you open this, so it's not going to just all spill out. So now I'm gonna open this up. Okay, so we have this open. Okay, so I have my light brown powder in here, and I'm gonna put this back in the bag so I can store that for future uses. There's quite a lot of powder in here, so I can definitely do this more times, which is great. I've put in my scoop of powder. It says to add a few drops of water to make kind of like a paste. So I don't want to add too much, but I'm going to mix this around to see. And I have nothing on my eyebrows. I already pre-washed them in preparation for this. And I think I need just a little bit more stirring. I've done one eyebrow. It looks really dark, but I know it is going to wash off and give my eyebrow that color that I am looking for. So let me just touch it up a little bit more. Now we're gonna let this sit on here for about 10 minutes. So I got it a little bit underneath there. I'm gonna do a little bit more up front. All right, so there's my second eyebrow. Let's get the taper a little bit. What it looks like applied. I'm gonna leave this on for 10 minutes and I'm gonna wipe it off and show you the results, but it's looking pretty good. It was really easy to apply. It didn't take me that long once I mixed this up, and I'm super excited about this. 10 minutes, I am going to wipe this off. Oh yeah, look at that. My brows are so much darker. So I really like this because I don't want to have to fill in my eyebrows all the time. This came off so easy, so you can see a little bit of the color on there, but these look so good. I'm really pleased with how the color came out. They are darker. I didn't want to go any darker because I felt like the color matched my hair pretty well. So I really love it. And I'm going to put some of the nourishing, oh wow, this smells really good actually. I'm going to put some of the nourishing oil on here to help lock my color in and keep everything nice and moist. If you are looking to color your eyebrows so you don't have to fill them in as much, and if you just want like a darker color, I absolutely love how this made my eyebrows look. They look so good.